That's annoying. Let's fix that. So to replace the light bulb on this side, all you need to do is pinch these guys. Boom. I guess they could be gals too. Pinch those together and out that unit comes, and then you can manipulate it around any way you want. I've replaced the standard bulb with the LED already on this side. And now let's go figure out how difficult it's going to be on the other side. So it's hard to reach in there without taking out this box. It appears to only be 3 screws. One that I'll search for. 2, 3. So after those screws are out, you can basically just slide it out. You have to kind of get it at this sort of angle in the last little bit just to clear all this stuff. And then it's the same process once we find that same clip that was on the other side. And this was the culprit. I believe it's this one. So that was just an easy twist, you know, push in and twist. It's that easy. Let's see if we got it to work. Hey, look at that. Cool. And then it's just putting it all back together. And all it does is just, once you get it in the bracket there, line it up in the bracket, and then all you need to do is click it in. And then this goes back in. Watch your wires. Boy, this is hard to do one-handed. Okay. So you just line it up the way it wants to go in, and then you kind of gotta just pull right here on the liner to get it around these clips, and then you just push it in and line it up with your screws, and that's gonna take 2 hands. So